This isn't nature. This is pressure. And only killers or geniuses survive it. Every second in Africa, something is hunting or being hunted. No breaks, no second chances. The cheetah explodes, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds. But here's the catch. If it fails in 20 seconds, it starves. The lion wins only 1 in 5 hunts. Power means nothing without patience. Hyenas laugh, but they're not jokes. Stronger bite than lions. They don't chase glory, they outlast. The crocodile waits, still, silent, ancient. One strike, 2,000 pounds per square inch. Game over. A giraffe can kill a lion with 1 kick. An elephant can smell water from miles away. And a single moment of distraction is all it takes to die. Out here, speed burns out, strength fades, but awareness? Timing, discipline, that's survival. Because in the wild, you don't rise to the top. You slip once and disappear. Africa doesn't reward potential. It rewards precision. Watch it again, because the real question is, are you living or just reacting?